Hello students, so today we are learning about class 12 geography chapter number 5 primary activities. Basically, if we talk about the primary activities, then we can say that the primary activities in the early society are hunting and gathering. Basically, the hunting is the primary activity that is completely done by the early men, because the early men were used to live in forest, and to live in forest the main primary activity is hunting. To gather their food, they basically started hunting the animals, and for hunting the animals they use the weapons or the hunting tools made of stones, twigs, etc. Basically, these are the stones tools and the twig tools that are made to hunt the animals. And basically, we can say that the hunting of animals has been uh, limited at that time, because as the time is going on, the early men were adapted on the edible plants that are completely eatable, and different plants that are also edible. Because after the time is going on, the early men were completely sustained about the main plant that are edible and are eatable, as according to them the time has completely taught them that different edible plants are important to them and are valuable for their life. They basically use those plants for their eating purpose, their livelihood, and for their antiseptic and for their medical purpose. So they have their differentiation between the medical plants and the edible plants. क्या है उसके बाद? Gathering है ना? Now, if we talk about the hunting in the current period, basically hunting in current period with which is also called the poaching of the animals. The poaching of the animals with the different highly equipped weapons, that is completely illegal. And nowadays the government has been strictly mentioned their rules and regulation and their guidelines towards hunting the animals, and there is uh, strict main action taken by the government for the killing of an animal. Gathering is basically done in the high altitude areas, and also the some of the low altitude areas like southern Canada, western Chile, and different areas that have high altitude, and some of the areas that have low altitude are the western Asia. Basically, these are the different areas where the gathering is mentioned. And if we talk about the gathering, the main gathering functionality means that if we are hunting the animal, that then after that we have to gather to some place that where we can manage the dinner and to manage the complete food for the different peoples of the society. Thank you.